Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting Excel XLS file to JSON format. You can see I have a Excel file open. I don't have Excel installed, and actually for this application it's not required to have Excel installed, and it's an Excel viewer, it's free app, it's just showing what is inside file. I cannot change anything, but we can see there is a my calendar XLS containing this kind of data like event name, start date, start time, end date time, and location name description. I will be converting this file into JSON format with application. I will download and install from my website. Also, it's very important before conversion, make sure you close Excel file, because if you have Excel, it's blocking file, so no other application can work with it. So it's important to close it. I know it's in my documents, it's called my calendar XLS, and I will be converting this. To download the application, I'll go to my website. This is my website. I will link on the site into the description. Click on search and type Excel to, and I need Excel to JSON, and I need this convert XLS page. And it contains Excel to JSON file. I can scroll down to Excel to JSON and click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on converter for Excel converters and JSON converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you want to see more applications like this, please like this video. Yeah, sometimes it will be downloaded from Google Cloud. Sometimes it cannot scan for viruses. Sometimes it does. I just click download anyway to start downloading. It's a good thing that that it's actually scanning for viruses. So this is why I prefer Google Cloud, because before releasing file to a customer, it's usually scanning file on malware and make sure that there is nothing wrong with archive or with a file before. Yep, I can close this. Archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSIS and archive to start installation, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And now I can close this because you can see I have a new application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is three-step process. In step 1, we will select input Excel file. I'll click to select input file. Navigate to my calendar. I have a lot of files. Let's find it. Let's type my calendar. I need this file. Click on open. Click on next. Here I can select if first row of my Excel file contains column names, which usually it is. So I keep this checked. And now I can select columns I'd like to export to JSON. I will select all. I just want all columns to be exported. Click on next step. And on final step, I can preview JSON data. You can see how it's being stored. It's an array of elements of data set, and every record has event name, start date time, end time, location name, description, and so on and so on. And to save result, I'll click save result button. It's asking me for name, location of result file. This name, location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. Now I have a JSON viewer. It's a free, let's first see it in Notepad, just a simple text. You can see how it looks like. Also, I have a JSON viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what inside JSON file in tabular format, and allow me to export into different data. I will link on this app too. It's free app. It's showing just JSON file in a table, like a table, and allowing to export and filter it. So you can see I have all my Excel converted to JSON. And we can also try to use Firefox. I think Firefox is showing JSON format pre-formatted. Sorry about sirens. And you can see it has all data in it. So it's like data, then array, and then everything. And we can see that this JSON is correct. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Also, this application can be called from command line if you want to, for example, convert like all Excel files into folder to JSON, so separate JSON file, or if you want to automate and put like schedule conversion to convert every Excel file into folder, you can do this from by calling this application from command line. So yeah, basically that's it. If you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.